welcome back to the channel. Today we got another ride-along. Actually, we got two ride-along videos today. The reason they're going together is because I kinda screwed up on both of them. The first video is gonna be of my dad. Unfortunately, I didn't have the camera set right, so I kinda crop out part of his face. We didn't plan on going on a ride-along, it just kinda happened, so I didn't get the camera set up right. It was also pretty hot that day, so it was a quick ride-along. The second video I have is a ride-along with a buddy of mine, and unfortunately I was eating gummy worms that were sticking all over my mouth as I was recording, and I was chewing incredibly rudely. Going back through the footage, I'm embarrassed to have most of the footage up there because I am just sitting there macking away with no shame at all. There might be a few scenes I pause my face to save you guys the details of what's going on in my mouth. Sorry about that. But hope you enjoy that video as well. Well, let's get right into it. Hope you enjoyed those ride-alongs. If you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to support the channel, be sure to subscribe. If you have any comments or suggestions for us, leave them down below. And until next time, we'll catch you later.